everyone, welcome to my channel Runa's Diary. I hope you all are in good health. So a very happy new year to you and your family. So from the title you already got to know that this is a winter haul. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the haul. So the first thing is a woolen sweater. So this is the sweater and you can see this is a very light green color and it's very soft material and it is really warm. So I have worn this in my Changu Lake visit. So that was a fully snowy place and I wore this with a jacket. So yes, you can understand that how warm this is, and this is beautiful color. So I just love the material. This is very soft. So I bought it from Sikkim and this was for 300 rupees. Next product is a blue sweater kind of top. So I think this is okay. So this is the top and this is a pretty blue color top and you can see this is the neck. So I think this is called crew neck. I'm not very sure. And this is also very warm and this goes with the high waisted jeans very well. So this is one of my favorite sweater and this is the material is also very soft and this is very comfortable to wear. So this also I got it for 300 rupees. Okay, so next material is a long coat. So as you can see, this is the coat and this is very like a long coat. So I'll wear and show you. This is one of my favorite long coat and I love this coat. This has button design at the front, so you can see over here, and also it has a belt and I just love the material and it is very comfortable and it is very warm, and you can see it has some button details at the hand as well. So this I bought it for 1500 rupees and the level is from H&M, but I am not sure. I don't think so. This is actually H&M product or maybe it is a rejected or second hand product. So this also I got it from Sikkim. Next is a cute beanie. So this is the beanie and this is again a woolen beanie and you can understand that this is very soft. This is very soft and if you can see inside, so they have fleece inside, so it is really very warm, and this I got it only for 150 rupees and this is one of my favorite beanie. And look how cute this is. The next product is one scarf, woolen scarf of lavender color. So this is again a very soft material and you can wear it as a infinity scarf as well. I just love the material and this quality is really great. I forgot the price of this. I think this was also around 150 and 200 rupees. Next item is the pant. You can see this. So this is a beautiful full length pant and it has also fleece inside. So this is very warm pant and it has a cute pocket design over here. So this is also I bought it from Sikkim Lal Bazaar. Actually it's Gangtok Lal Bazaar, and you can see this is also very comfortable to wear and very warm. So yeah, this is perfect for winter days. So next item is another pant. I forgot to mention the last pant price. I think it was also around 200 rupees. Okay, so next item is this. So this is a velvet material pant and it has a cute bear print all over it as you can see, and this is also very comfortable to wear and very warm. So this was only for 100 rupees. So now all the things, tops and pants are done. I have few shawls which I got it from Darjeeling and Sikkim. So the shawls I got it for me and for my mom. So yes, we'll start with that. So the first shawl is this. This is white shawl. So this material is not very heavy material. This is very soft material and this is not that warm. But I really love the design, so that's why I got it. I will show you. So this is how the design and color looks. So this is all over the shawl. It has a thread work as you can see, and this I got it for 300 rupees. And it's a beautiful shawl. Like it looks very elegant when you wear it. Okay, so next I have another shawl, and this is the shawl. So this is again a lavender color and lavender and white color shawl. So you can see over here, I think this is made of fleece material because this is very soft, and I'm not exactly sure if this is a fleece material or not, but this is very soft, like as you can see over here. And this is also very warm as well. So this I bought it from Changu market of Sikkim, and I got it for 300 rupees. Okay, now the last item is the cheapest shawl, but this is the warmest shawl. So yeah, the cheapest item is the warmest. So yes, this I got it only for 200 rupees, and the material is so nice, like very heavy. It's not that soft like the others, but it's very warm. The shawl is very warm, and you can see it has all design all over, and it's all the shawl like length is also, I think it's more than other two. This is the best for cozy winter days, and I really love the print. So yeah, this is the last item. And so yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick winter haul. Let me know in the comment section which is the product you like the most. And if you like this video, then don't forget to share, like and subscribe. So bye for today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.